So the next shape piece that we're going to look at is a graffiti-ish style drawing. We're going to do this with pencil because although it looks simple, it is quite a tricky one just because of all the little flicks of hair, because it's like a furry little monster. So I'll zoom in and I'll show you how I would attempt this one. I can see that its head comes up to about here. I'm just going to split the box into 4 so I can sort of tell where things go. We have the body, the fairy body, coming down to about here and goes to about there, and I'm just sort of mapping it out for myself. I know that the body, it gets more towards the halfway line here, so there. I can see that in this top sort of corner, its hand or its little tentacle arm goes over there, and it comes up and it stays in this little corner here. So just below the halfway line over here is the other tentacle. Goes up and round, and all I'm doing, I'm not drawing with shape yet, I'm drawing with line. We can see that on this side of the box here, we've got the 2 legs. So I'm going to put my 2 legs just over here, like that. So I've just started off with line. So now I'm happy that I've got it placed in the right place. I'm going to start to go in with turning these lines and these marks into shapes. So you can start wherever you feel most confident. It doesn't have to be the same place as me. And we're trying our best to make it look accurate. You will have to rub things out though and correct shapes. Now I would say it's best to draw with a very sharp pencil on this one because some of these little fur lines, they're very small and precise. So you'll start off with a shape, and then like I said, you'll probably end up rubbing parts out as you're figuring out the drawing. Now the tentacles, this is a nice easy one. You just draw around the line that you drew. And that tentacle, it does get thinner towards the end, like that. Our eyes should be in line with each other, so I'm just going to draw like a construction line there so that I can put them both in the right place. Now the legs, you want to keep these nice and skinny so he does look tall. Nice and skinny. And there's some lines on there. They're curved to make his legs look round. And I think just by watching what I've done so far, I think you can probably get the idea of what to do and can get started now. So off you go.